Hey Gatfeeder, this video is about brain fog and I'm going to share with you the 7 remedies to stop the fog and clear your mind. Are you ready for this? Let's go! This video is for you if you have difficulty concentrating. Maybe you think like, there's something wrong with me. When you see your neighbors or your friends, they focus with ease and get hours and hours of work done and you have trouble just to concentrate for 10 minutes. It's also for you if you experience extreme mental fatigue. If you feel exhausted from thinking or from making decisions and you need a break after every 5 minutes. And if you notice you have a general loss of energy and you feel constantly tired, it's kind of a drag, maybe you even have memory problems and just can't remember what you read in the book just 5 minutes ago. If this is the case, you're in the right place. I'm going to help you first to understand why you have brain fog in the first place, what is causing this brain fog, and then we're going to go straight into the 7 things you can stop, 7 brain fog remedies to clear your mind, where you can feel and you experience this mental clarity again and this sharpness. So let me ask you a question. Why do you think you have brain fog in the first place? What's causing it? There are 5 things that I see the most common with my clients and also with myself. I had terrible brain fog. I was so embarrassed. I studied medicine and it was really hard just to focus, even in school already. So I'm with you. It's not an easy thing, but there are lots of things that you can do. And the first thing is to understand why you have brain fog in the first place. Number 1, toxins. Think toxic heavy metals. In antibiotics, in medication. Toxic heavy metals can be in water, but also toxins in food, preservatives, artificial flavors, natural flavors, monosodium glutamate, nutritional yeast, my friends. I have a video about nutritional yeast. If you think like, oh my God, this is so good for vegans, think twice. It's a nerve irritant. Can irritate your nervous system, and anything that irritates your nervous system inflames the nervous system. Sponge can't think. Toxins, number 1. Number 2, certain types of viruses can produce what is called neurotoxins, meaning what they excrete can be very toxic for your brain, for your nervous system, and also can cause inflammation. One of those is Epstein-Barr, for example. Number 3 and number 4, they kind of go together. Number 3 is adrenal fatigue, adrenal imbalance. Your adrenals are here. Those are little glands that sit on top of your kidneys. They're very sensitive and they're extremely powerful. They produce adrenaline, which is the number one drug in your body. You can actually get addicted to adrenaline. Yes, there is a reason why there are surfers who are not doing anything else than surfing in their life or bungee jumping, or you're addicted to coffee. That's not because of the coffee, it's because of your own addiction to adrenaline. Adrenals, extremely powerful. Think fight and flight response. This brings us to number 4. Reason number 4 for brain fog, why you're dealing with brain fog, can be trauma, stress, emotional hardship,
and really important, milk this, overstimulation.
We are overstimulated 24/7 on the phone, everywhere. We're going to go into that, how to deal with this in the second part. Last part on that list, very often neglected, that is your gut. Gut troubles are one of the number 1 causes after overstimulation and adrenal fatigue, and this stress, this constant fight and flight and toxins, of course, is your gut health. This is important. Your gut and your brain, they are communicating 24/7. There are nerves that are going like this, phrenic nerve, vagus nerve. They are all connected. There are thousands and millions of nerve endings in your gut. A lot of nerve endings. If they're irritated by food rotting in your gut because you can't digest it, because there's inflammation, there's malabsorption, if there's anything like that going on, you can have direct brain fog, migraines, can't focus. That's all directly related. The causes that could be responsible for your brain fog: toxins, viruses excreting neurotoxins, adrenal fatigue, stress, trauma, emotional hardship, and gut issues. For me personally, probably all of those reasons were the reason for having brain fog in the first place. So now let's talk about what you can do to get out of it and get that mind clear again, out of the brain fog into the clarity. Let's go. All right, so how to find mental clarity, 7 tips to do right now. Number 1, often neglected, nobody talks about it, oxygenation. Oxygenation is antiviral, brings oxygen to your brain, lowers inflammation. Oxygen is one of the things that are for free, extremely powerful, and you can do it every day, everywhere. breathing, just breathing, conscious breathing, intense conscious breathing. You might have heard of the Wim Hof method. You have to hyperventilate. You can also just take 20 conscious breaths. That's what I'm doing when I'm waking up. I actually demonstrate that for you so you have something to laugh at. I do that by combining breath, sound, and movement. This is the most powerful way to get really, really sharp in your head and to become more present. So this is how it looks. Please laugh. I don't hear you. So I go down. Let me see if I can check this here. So it looks like this. And I do about 20 of those until I feel really, really present. And then I take a moment just to sit down. I sometimes hold my breath and just sit down and feel the presence. I already just did 3 and I already feel more present. Another way to bring in more oxygen into your body and really make those cells become alive, lower inflammation, nutrient bomb, spirulina. This is the way to go. 100% nutrients. Nothing bad about it. I have a lot of videos about spirulina. Check them out. I'm gonna link them somewhere here. Hydrating like lemon water in the morning is also very helpful when it comes to oxygenation and hydration. They go hand in hand. So the first tip has to do with oxygenation, oxygenating your body more. Second tip has to do with sleep. Honoring the sacred recovery window is extremely important. The sacred recovery window is from 10 p.m. wherever you are on the planet, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. What you want to do in that time, you want to zip it. It needs to be dark. You don't have to sleep, but lying down, no electronic devices. And 1 hour before you go to bed, so that would be at 9, ideally, you want to turn it all off. Turn off the phone, turn off the computer, and then if you want to be really, really good and you're really serious about getting the brain fog out, then you want to go out. You want to take a night walk. I really highly recommend it for 7 days, just doing this. Going to bed at 10, at 9, everything out. Going for a walk, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, whatever you want. Breathing, coming back, brushing teeth, bed. You will see the difference, but you got to do the work. Just listening to that video, not enough. Number 3, exercise. I know it's not that popular, but it actually works. It doesn't have to be hardcore exercise, can be gentle, but moving those hips daily in a fun way, not to be a chore, that's what oxygenates the blood, that's what reduces stress in the body, and that's what brings your body and your mind, brings them together and actually gives you this personal power that you feel like you are in charge. Helps immensely with brain fog. Talking about it, let's do a new thing, a dance break in the video. Number 4, important for your adrenal system, lowering stress. Lowering stress, how do I lower stress? I have a stressful life, tapping. Just take it easy, cross your arms in front of your body and do tapping 50 times. 1, 2. You get the thing? This 50 times, then you take a moment and breathe. And you do it 50 times more. Breathe. 50 times more. 3 times 50 times takes you less than 3 minutes, my friend, less than 3 minutes. Ideally, you want to do that before you eat anything to improve your gut health as well at the same time. Or when you feel this moment, okay, I have stress, I want to have a coffee, rather do the silly breathing thing that I showed you in the beginning and then some tapping, and there's going to be a change. Number 5, we talked about overstimulation really shortly, just overstimulation. Almost always number 1 cause for brain fog. Definitely for me in the past, too much. More attention is the new currency. In the internet century, you don't know how much businesses pay just to get you like 1 second to click on something or to look at something. You gotta be very greedy with that. because you only have so much, and especially if you're brain foggy, your attention is your gold. So don't just throw it out of the window everywhere on Facebook, Instagram, and even just on YouTube. Be greedy with it. One thing that I recommended to my clients, and we're also doing in the Deeply Nourished course in the 6-week program, is called digital detox. You can start with 6 hours. In the beginning, it might be very challenging, and that means no digital things. No computer, no phone, no Netflix, nada, zero. For 6 hours. Ideally, it would be 24 hours, a whole day. Can be challenging, but after you did that, you will feel, even just after that one day, you will feel the next day you have less brain fog or no brain fog at all. And this is what shows you that overstimulation is one of the biggest things. That's why so many of us have brain fog right now. Just rinse and repeat so far what you can do for brain fog. Focus on oxygenation, breathing, drinking spirulina water, hydrating your body, honoring the sacred healing window, exercising. Yes, you can do it like Peggy, but you could also walk your dog. Lowering stress, tapping for your nervous system, and being greedy with your intention and really paying attention. You are overstimulated and doing everything to create more space. 2 more. Number 6, adrenal support. You want to be really, really nice to your poor adrenal glands who are already stressed out. They're very, very sensitive, and they have feelings too. And they're likely feeling very much in danger and not safe. So by the tapping, for example, you help your adrenal system as well to stabilize itself. So ditching things that irritate your nervous system and your adrenals, like coffee, lots of chocolate, late nights out, and bungee jumping. And last but not least, number 7, what you put in your mouth has an effect on how you feel and also an effect on the brain fog. One of the best brain fog remedies, green juices, obviously spirulina water. Eat things that are easy digestible. If your gut health is impaired, you want to give your body time to restore itself. So go away from those hardcore chicken, no protein shakes, no keto diet. Fruit mono meals are great, or just vegetable soup, something easy to digest. You also want to make sure you take out or at least reduce foods that feed viruses. I have a video about that, linking it here. If you're like, what, really? Then you want to check that out. Foods that feed viruses, just naming them shortly: dairy, eggs, yes, organic or not. If you caress the hen, it's still a hormone bomb, I'm sorry. Gluten, soy, and corn. If you don't believe me, watch that video and you will find out more. So before we part, I would love to know from you one thing, just one thing that you are going to implement after watching this video. Let me know in the comments below. I want you to do them for 7 days in a row. So the one thing that you commit to for 7 days in a row, and you let me know in the comments below so I can actually hold you accountable, and we, all gut feeders, support you to achieve that and to feel better and reduce your brain fog and find back that focus